It is common among cat lovers to hear opinions about the personality of cat with certain coat colors. Black cat often get a bad reputation because they are considered unlucky with aloof, mysterious personalities. In truth, all cats, regardless of their color, should be treated as individuals with unique characters. Research has done to find a link between coat color and personality in cats, but no definitive results have been found. While there is some evidence that an animal's color can be related to temperament. Black can be found in 22 different cat breeds. Each of these cats can have different personality traits based on breed tendencies. Black cats can be seen as having more attitude and aggression than other color cats. Because of years, black cats were associated with witches and dark forces. If you are predisposed to believe such things, you may perceive a black cat as being intimidating and unfriendly, whereas a cat with the same personality but different color might seem completely different. One of the characteristics of black cats is their beautifully colored coat. Despite the negative perception, it is associated with mystery, elegance, infinity, and silence. Despite superstitions, black cats are one of the most affectionate and playful cats. Black cats also tend to have a very close relationship with their owners, and they are very grateful for love when it is received. They tend to shy when first introduced to strangers, but once they feel that there is no threat of danger, they will slowly let themselves open up.